today I'm going to talk about the Downy Free and Gentle Liquid Fabric Conditioner for Sensitive Skin. So this one is 77 fluid ounces here, kind of big. And it is a fabric conditioner. It softens the fabric, helps with wrinkles, it helps with taking away the fuzz on the clothes, it protects it and reduces the static, and it keeps it looking new for longer. And the ingredients include, over here, as it says, biodegradable fabric softening agents. And the bottle is made from 25% or more post-consumer recycled plastic. And it's for medium laundry loads, so for me that's just a basic laundry load, and that's basically like one load of laundry. I don't like to pack up the washing machine and really force everything in there. I like that my clothes have time to, soak and really get washed. And it does make the clothes more at risk of catching fire. So don't use it on your kids' pajamas or your delicates. I chose this product when I was looking for something that wouldn't irritate my sensitive skin. I have allergies to so many different things, and my skin is so sensitive, and I never really know what is going to happen exactly when I buy these types of products. I don't actually use fabric softeners a lot, or at least I didn't before this, but I really like this. I think it works really well with my skin type. It's hypoallergenic, doesn't irritate my sensitive skin, and I have had a lot of breakouts in the past with fabric softeners, so I definitely am very happy with this one. And I use it when I clean my clothes, like every time almost. The liquid is a syrupy white color, and it doesn't smell like anything. Actually, I would say it does remind me a little bit of Elmer's glue. I know that's strange to put on your clothes, but if you sniff it, that's what it smells like. But once you actually use it and you get your clothes out of the laundry, they don't smell like anything in particular. It's not like your clothes come out smelling like glue. I have owned it for about 2 months, and I use it every week or two, whenever I do my laundry. It's not something that I travel with because it's just so bulky, and I keep it next to my detergent under my sink in my kitchen. It is not detergent, and I say that because actually my boyfriend mistook it for detergent one time, but it's actually a fabric softener. It does not have that soapiness that cleans your clothes. It just softens the fabric and conditions it. And I had never used this product before. It comes in this white bottle that's plastic, and the bottle is recyclable. And I use the lid here to measure. It's like a measuring cup at the same time, so I can measure out how much product I want in one load of laundry. And I'll add that right in with my detergent usually. But I like to apply mine directly to the clothes, not through any washing machine like setups or doors or things like that, or compartments. I like to apply my products right to my clothes. That's just the way I do things though. It has this awesome handle so you can easily pour, and you can also carry it. And it comes in different sizes. This obviously is the 77 fluid ounce size, but they also have like 34, I believe. You'll have to check into that, but yeah, they definitely have different sizes. I like this one. It works really well for my boyfriend and I. We share it, and it also would be good for, say, if you have a family and everyone in your family might have different skin types or react differently, but this makes a very good universal kind of fabric softener that you can use for everyone, and you can do your laundry loads all together, which is nice. Downy was introduced in the early 1960s The brand is manufactured by Procter & Gamble in the US, and they basically focus on fabric softener. That's what the brand is all about. So if you are looking for a brand new fabric softener, or you have very sensitive skin and you're afraid to buy one, consider this. This is a really good product, and it definitely has benefited me a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video.